Science News Update. Mars Curiosity returned to science planning today after a 2-week hiatus because of a technical issue. Our most recent science plan, describing in the blog for Sols 2320-2323, included a drive towards a blocky outcrop called Midland Valley. The drive was a success, bringing us right on top of the beautiful chunk of rock shown above. But before we could reach out and touch it, Curiosity went into safe mode. While the engineers worked to return Curiosity to nominal operations, the science team stood down from planning, eagerly awaiting our chance to get a closer look at Midland Valley. Today's plan includes that closer look with Mastcam, ChemCam, Molly, and APXS. We'll investigate 2 spots on the outcrop, Aloha and Achtargar. Mastcam will also survey our surroundings with mosaics of wind-blown sand features, Mormon Hill, Motherwell, and Mount Keene. A look back at our previous workspace towards the previously explored targets, Curlew and Gannett. A look ahead towards a potential future drive destination at an area with blocky outcrop called Mill Timber. And a look up to the sky at the dust in the atmosphere. In addition, ChemCam will use LIBS, the laser, to investigate another rock target called Krathis. The engineering team is working hard to understand the issue that occurred on Sol 2320, and upcoming plans will be dedicated to diagnostic activities. We will update you as we learn more, and in the meantime, the new observations from Midland Valley will keep us scientists busy.